So earlier today, I was going through and running a bunch of commands, and I needed to go back to a previous command and change some of the values repeatedly. So to do a search and replace. And I just wanted to share this neat trick where, so we run this command and I don't know, say we want to change the ports that we're binding here from 4444 to say 3333. Well, we can use the exclamation mark, which is used to access previous commands. One of them is just going to mean the most recent command. And then we can use the command execution. If you're familiar with Vim, it's very similar to that, where we use the colon to say, hey, I want to run this command. And we can run the G and then S to do a search. And let's search for the number 4 and replace that with the number 3 and hit enter. And so you can see here it went through for us and changed all of these instances. And you can imagine this being quite useful if you're doing a number of search and replaces on previous commands.